Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Toncoin, Dogecoin, and we're ending with Cardano at number 10. Let's get straight into it. BTC against USD. Okay, so for BTC, I think we've already mentioned it. We've already touched the skinny pink line. So this means that more likely than not, the bearish trend is not too far away. Could we still go a little bit higher? Sure, of course. Of course, if you look at history, we actually crossed it. But eventually we went a little bit higher before we started the bearish trend. So the same thing could be happening over here. We might see a rally just to sweep all of these clusters of highs and then we come back down. Right, we have targets potentially towards 90k, 92, 91, 92. But the thing is, yeah, are we going to complete the inverse head and shoulders? If we did really complete an inverse head and shoulders, it's going to go beyond 100k. Maybe like, I don't know, 105k? Again, I can't say for sure though, but at this point of time, we're still hopeful that things could continue bullishly for a little while longer before it comes back down. But the moment we touch the skinny pink line, we are switching our bias to bearish. We may not get what we are hoping for, and Bitcoin could start its bearish trend as it goes under the skinny pink line. Absolutely possible. So at this point of time, we're still not entirely certain, but once you touch the skinny pink line, be very, very careful. ETH against BTC. Here we are for ETH. Ethereum is, again, under the skinny pink line. Downwards trend. So, but the thing is, we've already hit... let me see. Let's change it to green. See, there's a resistance area, support. I would say support area over here. Right. And we're already hitting it. So, that's interesting. That's very interesting. There was a support area over here. Right. We actually did hit it. Boing. Cross it, but bounce off of it, drop even lower to this support area, right? And we are kind of bouncing off of it, but it's very weak, and this is very strong. So I suspect that we may be going a little bit lower. If we pulled out the Fibonacci retracement, you will see that potentially Ethereum could be dropping to the 0.618 area, which is 0.03, right? Again, we'll probably be sweeping the lows over here if that happens. ETH against USDT. ETH against USD is also under the skinny pink line, clearly slicing through it. Bear season is already on for Ethereum. So more likely than not, we're heading towards this noisy, very noisy area over here. Right. So that will be under 2000. We went to 2001. So potentially a little bit more downside. But the upside is, I suspect, once this is complete, right, the next cycle you will see Ethereum go bananas. Right. I think it's only the next cycle where you see Ethereum just start flying. But as it stands, things are already bearish. So anticipate more downside eventually. Sure, there could be rallies here and there. Right. There could be another rally right up to the skinny pink line. Right. And after that, I would expect us to continue lower for Ethereum. BNB. Okay, BNB is one of the few rare coins that's still in a potential bullish continuation towards the upside. This looks to me like a falling channel. We are also above the skinny pink line, so which means that the bias is bullish for Binance. Previously, we saw a mountain range over here. Mountain. We crossed it, but then now we're back up. So you'd be like, if you took off your bearish lenses and you put on bullish lenses, again, you can see this from a bullish perspective as well. So potentially you can see Binance coin hit a little bit higher, probably to this noisy area over here at around 0.011. So that's BNB BTC for you. BNB against USD. We're already touching the skinny pink line. Not good. Not something you want to see. Could we still be going lower? Yes. Could we reverse back? Sure. Any signs of no. If anything, there's a sign of selling, strong selling. We may go a little bit higher, right, to the noisy area over here. We might just hit the bottom of the noisy area and then we come back down potentially, right? There's really some strong selling that's coming in for BNB, so potentially a little bit more downside for BNB. It just doesn't really look that good to me, not at this point of time. Solana, Sol against BTC. Here we are for Solana. Okay, so Solana is also one of the other coins that could potentially see another move higher. The whales might just want to sweep all these clusters of buys before heading lower. It's still above the skinny pink line. So technically, the trend is still bullish for Sol BTC. Sol against USD has touched the skinny pink line. That's not good. Can we go a little bit higher? Yes, we could sweep all of this first before heading lower. But as it stands, yeah, we're still not entirely sure. So we're gonna have to be very, very careful about making a move for Solana. Yes, there could be another move higher, but I suspect that this could be a very big bull trap, right? Trapping everybody, and then bam, we come back down, and then we get a head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Big correction. So be very careful about going long for Solana. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. XRP is again still under the skinny pink line. We hit the skinny pink line, but it acted as a resistance. So XRP could be completing the gigantic head and shoulders. You see this? And as XRP collapses lower, potentially, right? But if you look at the USD pair, right? Oh my god, XRP could be switching bananas, bullish bananas, in the sense that A, B, C, D, E, right? We have a target over here, $1.60, and after that, another one is at $6.10. The cents and the dollars switched position, you get it at what, 6.10, right? Anyway, the point is for XRP, yeah, this could be the completion of a wave E. You see this? A, B, C, D, E. Boom! Breakout. Okay, but the thing is that we are kind of marking around the skinny pink line, and this could also be prolonged in the sense that, you know, we could just be mucking around here and there and do nothing much, and then only in 2026 do we see a proper breakout. Absolutely possible, right? It's just that we're not really sure at this point of time. So yeah, we're feeling hopeful, but we are cautiously optimistic. Toncoin, Ton against BTC. Here we are for Ton on Coinex. Okay, so Toncoin could also be coming down for a C. What I mean by that is A up for a B, coming down for a C, potentially, right? So as it stands, yeah, no, we're not entirely sure. We're above the skinny pink line though, so the trend is bullish, but it feels to me like we are completing mountains. So again, as long as you're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias. We're aware of where the all-time high is, but we're not sure whether if we're going to be going close to it or if you're going to be going closer to the skinny pink line. Ton against USD. Ton against USD has formed a mountain over here. I fear we could be getting a descending triangle as we head lower. But anyway, we have a target over here, $13.50, which is still valid, right? Because this was an ascending triangle that broke out. Here we are, still above the skinny pink line. Still with a bullish bias for Toncoin. We're hopeful though that Toncoin could just continue higher. Hit the target first before a big reversal. Dogecoin against BTC. Dogecoin doesn't look good. Noisy area over here. So I suspect we could be heading down to the noisy area. That's about 107. Now we're at 173. So yeah, be careful. Sure, you may call this a falling channel. Sure, it could be breaking out, but it's not looking that good. It's weak. It's uber weak. Doge against USD. Cross the skinny pink line. The moment you cross the skinny pink line, the bias should be bearish. Get out ready. This is where you get out. And then bam, we drop even lower. So more downside? Yeah. Looks like more downside. The biggest bearish descending triangle could actually be forming on Dogecoin. This whole thing could be a very big descending triangle. And Dogecoin could be collapsing all the way down. Any signs of a bullish? No. I don't see anything bullish for Dogecoin against USD, especially. Not. It just doesn't really look that positive to me. Right? What would be positive? Okay, positive would be we form a falling channel, we break out towards the upside, stay above the skinny pink line, consolidate above the skinny pink line, continue higher. But as it stands, yeah, it's not happening. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Dogecoin. ADA against BTC. Here we are for ADA. Under the skinny pink line. Again, the moment you cross it, that's it. Switch to a bearish bias. It will serve you well. The trend is your friend, and now it's all the way back down. I suspect we're going to be clearing these lows very soon. Right, things are still very, very bearish. No signs of a bullish reversal. Normally, before things reverse back up, we will go sideways for a while before going back up. ADA against USD. We are also under the skinny pink line. No clear signs of a bullish reversal yet. The biggest fear is that we may form a head and shoulders here. Oh my god, it could be collapsing so much lower, back down to potentially 10 cents. Any signs of yeah, no, nothing yet. So what's the best bullish case? We go sideways for a while before heading back up, down, sideways for a while before heading back up. You can consider this as the whole sideways before reversing back up. So as it stands, yeah, it's not looking that good. So stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great week. See you in the next one.